guys! Welcome back! I have a question for you, okay? Do you like to read? Reading's fun, isn't it? Well, if you agree with me, then this video is for you. Because in today's video, I will teach you how to make money and how you can earn up to $1,000 just by reading words online. You might be wondering if this is true or not. Okay, that's totally fine. And that is why you should watch this video until the very end, okay? First of all, this is 100% free. No need for money to be prepared. And no selling of anything, and basically, this is not a scam, guys. So I am telling you, you're going to regret it if you close this video and you will miss the opportunity. This method is new. Brand new, and actually not a lot of people know about this method, and that is why this is a special video for you. After watching this video, you can do this method on your own device and we can now enjoy our easily earned money. We can go shopping, drink some beer, go out and buy groceries with our family, and that is so fun. We have steps and procedures that we need to follow in order for us to earn some big money. If you do not follow every step that I tell you in this video, well, you know what's gonna happen. You will not earn anything at all. You will just keep on watching some videos on how to make money online, but still, you are not counting money on your hand. But I don't want that. That is why you're watching my videos, right? You want to earn money and actually count it on your hand. And that is so great. So what are we waiting for? Let's roll the intro. But before we dive into the video, welcome to Mr. McMoney, where we teach you the latest tips and tricks in making money online. Smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll always be updated whenever I post new content like this. Go ahead and like this video and leave a comment down below if you have any questions. Now let's go back to the video. Now, before I show you all the step-by-step strategy, I want you to take a look at this and I want you to see with your own eyes just how much money you can actually make. I'm really excited to teach you this method because this is very easy, very user-friendly, and this opportunity is going to give you so much money just by reading. I will show you exactly how it works and you do not need any experience, any qualifications to do this. Now look at this. You can earn up to $100 to $249. That kind of money just by 0 to 2 minutes of your life is so huge. Some people are working days just to earn $100. Okay, just a quick interruption, guys. I want to get to know you guys better. So I have some questions for you. I want to know what kind of device you guys are using. Which is why I'm gonna ask you guys, what are you using, an Android or an iOS device? Comment down below so I can see your comments and I can know what device you guys are using. Now let's go back to the video. Have a look at this. With 45 minutes of reading, you can earn up to $1,000 to $1,249. Imagine that within 45 minutes you can earn that much money, and this just means that every minute you are earning almost $22. Interesting, right? Now that's a lot of money to promise, I know. I want you to watch till the very end so you can actually earn your money and enjoy your earnings. Now I will show you a few strategies in how to sign up, how to get approved, and how to make more money even if you just spend the least amount of time. This is very important and I want you to pay 100% of your attention because a lot of people tend to do it wrong. They waste their time and at the end of the day, they didn't earn any money at all. I do not want that to happen to you. So let's get to the tutorial. So first of all, I want you to go to voices.com. Once you are on this website, this is what your screen should look like. Have a look at this. They've been featured on Shopify, Microsoft, History Channel, Discovery Channel, Los Angeles Times, Bell, GoDaddy, Cisco, and Hulu. These are very big brands and companies that are definitely legit, so they are paying out to people every single day. We're gonna receive all the payments in PayPal, or you can choose to send your money straight to your bank account. This works in different countries, so basically on these websites, they're gonna give you a lot of different projects from different categories, and I will show you which categories you should pick. You can select on the whole list of different projects, and I will show you what it looks like. So, once you select your favorite project, they're going to give you the script, the templates, the book, and all of the words that you're gonna read word by word, and you have to record your voice, and they will pay you depending on how long the project is. You can do this for 20 minutes, or you can do it for an hour, whatever it takes. They also have unlimited jobs to offer to you. There are also a lot of websites out there that you can do some visits, but they are not consistent on giving projects. Maybe today you're not making any money at all because the other job is so limited. But on voices.com, there are so many categories, I swear. There are so many jobs that you can pick up. Even if you have like 5 minutes a day, even if you don't have a lot of time, maybe only have 15 minutes or 30 minutes, you can still pick up a certain job. You can do it and you can instantly earn all this money by reading. There are some people that are asking me that, what if I don't have a microphone? Okay, well all you need is just a basic pair of earphones, and you can use your iPhone or your Android phone. You do not have to show your face and you do not have to show your identity. They just need your voice. They're just gonna use your voice on the ebook on their videos, and they want to hire people like you. You just need to speak out loud, read all these words and scraps. We do not even have to write anything, we just have to read out all of the books and scripts that they provide us. So that is all you need. Now let's go back to the website. I will show you how we can sign up and also how we can get verified to this website, and also we can find the best projects that's going to give you the most amount of money. So the question is, how can we actually apply for different jobs and get paid right? So now step number 1, I want you to click on the sign up button on the top right hand corner. Once you click on this one, it will pop up a new page and we're going to see 2 options right here. Find work as a talent and hire talent for your projects. In this case, we're gonna find work as a talent to read out those words. We will select the second option and we have to put our name, our email, our phone numbers, and also a username. You just have to put out your details. Just click on this. I agree to the terms and conditions. Click on continue button, or you can just click your Google account, and that's all you need. So after you sign up for a free account, you're going to see many different jobs in your dashboard once you log in, like what you're seeing here right now. If you're enjoying the video, go ahead and click the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's go back. There are so many different categories, so right now, I'm going to show you which are the categories that have the most amount of jobs and that are very suitable for any beginners. Freelancers applying here are working from all over the world. Now the number 1 category that you should pick on is audiobooks. Audiobooks will give you so much money, and the second one, which is an explainer video, and also last but not the least, the third recommended category is video games. Okay, so I want you to focus on audiobooks, explainer videos, and also video games because these are the top 3 categories that have the most amount of jobs, and at the same time, they offer the most amount of money with the least amount of time spent. So for example, we're going to select audiobooks. Click on that and it will pop up a new page. Here are some of the examples of people working online, working from all over the world that's making money at voices.com. And you can be male or female or whatever gender you are. And there are people from different countries. Right now, you can see the language that wants to read online. There are different languages here, so no matter where you are, they offer jobs. You can begin reading online on voices.com by reading those scripts, reading those words, and getting paid. And your pay depends on the hours that you're working in. So, if you want to make more money, we're going to select the job that maybe has 45 minutes at least, so that you're going to get paid $1,000 every time you do one project. So I'm going to show you some of the job opportunities that are available. So you can see I'm scrolling down right now like it's never ending. They will keep on refreshing the page and post more and more jobs, so you can keep on logging in and see which one you prefer. As I told you, the most recommended category for voices.com is an audiobook. So let me show you with quick examples using audiobooks and see how much they're paying us. Projects in audiobooks are very easy. They're just going to hand you all the scripts, all the templates, and you just have to read them up and record using your phone, and you're going to get paid $1,000 by doing that. Also, the second most famous category is video games. So this is one of the examples of the scripts around video games that they're gonna give you. So once you select a project, this is the sample script they're gonna give you and you have to read that. So they're going to show you who the client is, what their age is, what their gender is, and some of the job description. So once you click a job, the examples of the script that they're gonna give you are free and you just have to read them out and you're going to get paid by doing that. So if you actually download their apps on the Google Play Store or on your iPhone, this is what it's going to look like. They're gonna give you a script to record on your phone, you can read them out loud, and that's how it makes things so simple. You can download this on the Google Play Store and the App Store. You can just search voices.com. The logo should look like this and you can download it for free. After that, you can just start working. And that is it for today's video. If you learned something or liked the video, it would be great if you smash down below the subscribe button and make sure to click the notification bell. If you have any suggestions, comments, or questions, just leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it and we will see you in the next one.